Hello, dear students. I hope you all are doing your preparation for NEET examination. In this video, I am discussing question number 41 to 60 from previous year question paper of NEET examination. So, question number 41. Here you have to match column 1 with column 2. This equation is from standard 11th book chapter number 2 nitrogen cycle. So here correct option nitrococcus. So list 2 conversion of ammonia to nitrate. Then rhizobium bacteria, it convert atmospheric nitrogen to ammonia. Then Theobacillus bacteria, it is for denitrification, and Nitrobacter, it is used for conversion of nitrite to nitrate. Question number 42. Which of the following statement is incorrect? So here answer is cyclic photophosphorylation involves both PS1 and PS2 because in cyclic photophosphorylation only photosystem 1 involved, while photosystem 1 and 2 involve in non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Now 43. Which of the following statement is incorrect? So here answer is A. In ETS from NADH2 3 ATP molecules are formed, while in FADH2 2 molecules are formed instead of 2 and 3 respectively. So correct answer is A. 44. In some members of which of the following pairs of families pollen grain retain their viability for months after release? So answer is Rosaceae and Leguminaceae family. 45. What is the role of RNA polymerase 3 in the process of transcription in eukaryotes? So answer is transcribe tRNA, 5S rRNA and snRNA. So RNA polymerase 3 is responsible for transcription of tRNA, 5RNA, rRNA and snRNA. This is from 12th standard chapter number 6. 46. DNA fingerprinting involves identifying difference in some specific region in DNA sequence is called as answer is repetitive DNA. 47. Identify the correct statement. So here answer is A. RNA polymerase bind with Rh factor to terminate the process of transcription in bacteria, while other three statements B, C and D are incorrect. 48. Plasmid PBr322 has PST1 restriction enzyme site within gene ampicillin R that confer ampicillin resistance. If this enzyme is used for inserting a gene for beta galactosidase production and the recombinant plasmid is inserted in an E. coli stain, so answer is D. It will not be able to confer ampicillin resistance to host cell. 49. Nowadays, it is possible to detect the mutate gene causing cancer by allowing radioactive probe to hybridize its complementary DNA in a clone of cells, followed by its detection using autoradiography, because answer is B. Mutated gene does not appear on a photographic film as the prober has no complementary with it. 50. In the exponential growth equation. Nt is equal to n0 e raised to rt. Here e represents, answer is B, the base of natural logarithms. 51. Which one of the following belongs to the family Mucidae? Answer is C, housefly. 52. Match list 1 with list 2. So here answer is B, metamerism. It is seen in Ctenophora. Then canal system, it is present in Porifera. Comb plates, it is seen in also Ctenophora. Then cnidoblast, it is present in Coleontrate. 53. Which one of the following organisms bear hollow and nematic long bones? Answer is D, Neophron. 54. Match the following list. So here answer is B, A, Phylacelia. It is Portuguese man of war. Then Limulus, it is living fossils. Then Ancylostoma, answer is hookworm. And Pinctada, answer is pearl oyster. 56. Which one of the following characteristics is incorrect with respect to cockroach? So answer is A, a ring, answer is D. A ring of gastric cache is present at junction of midgut and hindgut. But in cockroach, a ring of 6 to 8 blind tubules called hepatic or gastric cache is present at the junction of foregut and midgut, which secrete digestive juice. 57. Which of the following statement wrongly represent the nature of smooth muscle? So answer is B. Communication amongst the cell is performed by intercalated disc. 58. The organelles that are included in the endomembrane system are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes and vacuoles. 59. Identify the incorrect pair. So answer is drugs is Rixin. Rixin and Abinerne toxins. Vinblastine and curcumin are drugs. 60. The fruit fly has 8 chromosomes in each cell. During interphase of mitosis, if the number of chromosomes at G1 phase is 8, then what would be the number of chromosomes after S phase? So answer is 8, because in S phase, it is also known as synthesis phase, DNA replication take place, so the amount of DNA becomes double, but the chromosome number remains same. Thank you for watching.